So, does the safari guarantee I come out of this alive?
We guarantee nothing except the Raptors.
Okay. How about that election yesterday, huh?
Oh yes, thank God that Obama won. If Romney, on the other hand, would have won, that would be the worst kind of dictatorship. Ah, here's your tour guide now. This is Mr. Travis.
Hi, Mr. Eccles. Nice to meet you. Hey, listen, I want to get something straight right out of the gate. There's a real simple rule. Anytime you're about to shoot, I got to give the okay. And also, where you shoot, I'm going to tell you where and when. Any deviation from that, any at all, and there's an initial fine of $10,000. Anything after that, it goes way, way up. You understand each other?
Yeah. Got it.
Great. Okay. We just have a little formality to get out of the way. We have a release form for you to sign here. You know, and it's the standard, hey, it's not our fault if something happens to you. These little prehistoric critters are kinda hungry.
What, you trying to scare me?
Yes, I am. Look, we can't have some panicky lightweight out there in the tour. Last year alone, we lost 6 safari guides and 12 tourists. You know, it's pretty rough out there, and the last thing I need to do is to have you go out there and freak out. So we offer you the most exhilarating experience there is, the most awesome safari you'll never forget. But if you can't handle it, you know, if you're too much of a lightweight, we still have a check. You can tear it up and forget the whole thing.
No, I'm good to go.
Great. All right. All we need now is our second tour guide, Les Brents. Oh, here comes now.
Everybody ready? The time machine's good to go.
Good?
Yes.
All right. Let's get our gear. Here we go. Mr. Eccles, come on in. See. All right, Mr. Eccles, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Les Brents. Dial us back 66.22 million years, back to the time of the Raptors.
So can this take a raptor down cold?
If you aim right, go for the eyes first, blind them, then shoot for the brain.
Ah, we're here. 66.22 million years ago, way before President Obama was ever born.
Wow. This makes Africa look like Illinois.
All right, hold up, Mr. All right, here's the deal. This path that you see has been laid out by Time Safari in advance to be completely non-destructive, okay? Any deviation, any step off from this, anything could have serious ramifications to the future. We don't want to go off this. Also, remember, you don't shoot anything, you don't do anything unless I give you the okay, all right?
Why?
Well, we don't want to affect the future, do we? Look, Time Safari spends a lot of money to keep this thing perfect, just the way it is without changing the future. We're on thin ice with the government as it is. Any change at all, and everything is screwed. Look, we've even cloaked the time machine so it can't be seen by animals.
I see.
You kill even a mouse here, and all the mice born from that mouse and all the predators that would have fed on them, you've doomed them out of existence.
So, Mr. Eccles, stay on the path. Follow me.
So how do we know what to shoot?
Look, Les Brents has been here already and marked the raptor with red paint. It was going to die today anyway. Now it just dies by our own hand. The future stays exactly the same.
Wait, you're already here? Did you see us? Did we get out alive? Did I get out alive?
Well, that would be a paradox. Time doesn't really allow a man to meet himself, so there's no way of knowing if we got our raptor or if we, meaning you, Mr. Eccles, made it out alive.
Come on. Let's go.
So where's my raptor?
He should just be up ahead. There, moving in the bushes.
Safety catches off. Eccles, you got first shot.
900 tiger, wild boar, but this, I'm shaking like a little kid.
Shh, hasn't seen us yet.
No, it's too big. It can't be killed. We were fools to come here.
Eccles, go back to the time machine. Quietly, stay on the path.
We were fools. Fools!
It's seen us. Eccles, go back to the time machine. Don't run, but you can hide there.
Eccles, not off the path.
Oh, God, Lethbridge, come on, fire!
Right on time. There's the branch that killed him.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Get up. I'm throwing you out of the path.
No.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Have you seen him? He's covered in mud. He was off the path. This will be tens of thousands of dollars. They'll shut us down.
Take it easy. He just kicked up some mud.
Oh, how do we know? He could have done anything. He could have changed history. Eccles, get out.
No, I'll pay anything. $100,000.
Take this knife and stick your hands in the flesh down to the skull and don't come back till it's done.
That's bullshit. It's unreasonable.
The bullets, you idiot. The bullets. We can't leave them behind, so go.
You didn't have to make him do that.
Didn't I? It's too early to tell. At least at this point he'll have learned his damn lesson. Fine. Les Prince, take us home.
Don't look at me. I haven't done anything. It's just some mud.
How do we know? Still too damn early to tell. I swear to God I may kill you yet. I got my gun ready. All right, get out. Come on. Everything okay here?
Absolutely fine. Welcome back.
Good. Eccles, get the hell out of here. Don't ever come back. Eccles, you hear me? What are you staring at? Get the hell out of here.
No, not just a little thing like that. It's just a butterfly. Who won the election yesterday?
Romney, of course. Not that weakling Obama. We got a man with guts.
No.
What's wrong?
Can't we just go back? Can't we just do it over? Can't we just...
God damn it, Eccles.